Now to Cameroon, where heavy rains is slowing down economic activities in the city of Douala. In the country's economic capital, it's very common to see cars stuck in traffic during rush hour. Ita and Quain with more.
Heavy rains in Douala over the past 3 weeks is causing severe congestions, disrupting urban transport systems, provoking accidents and destabilizing the schedule and activities of individuals. Douala is the economic capital of Cameroon, also serving as the main entrance into the country through its international airport and seaport. Heavy rains in the country, especially in a populated city like Douala, makes movement very difficult, causing severe traffic jam at rush hours. The poor conditions of the roads as well as poor drainage systems are a big problem to a point where a simple trip can cost you 3 times as long. Daily activities slow down as movement becomes almost impossible for some individuals. For some, it's difficult to get a car to go to remote areas and purchase goods. Difficulties I have during this period is that the rain falls a lot. It is difficult to get a car that will carry you into the bush areas to purchase goods. I am begging the government to open up bushes and create roads. We are suffering now accessing the bush to get fruits. Now is the rainy season and fruit market is slow. People don't eat fruits a lot because they don't come to the market often, and as a result, the fruits get rot. Like this morning, I have thrown 3 baskets of rotten fruits. Individuals carrying umbrellas has become the order of the day. Commercial motorbike riders are obliged to buy umbrellas as passengers would prefer to save them from getting wet. It is difficult. It is difficult. Actually, if you don't have an umbrella, you can't walk. It is very difficult. Traders, including hawkers, find it difficult to sell their goods. It is even harder for children taking advantage of the long holidays to hawk on the streets with the sole aim of helping their parents in preparing their material needs for the fast approaching academic year.
It affects the business because of the rain. Sometimes the rain will fall from morning to 12. I used to go out at about 8. When I will find myself leaving the house by 12:01, I'm already late for my business. So by the end of the day, I will no more have the money that I could have when I could be leaving the house at 8.
The region of Douala is extremely flat, favoring stagnation of water, hence suffering from continuous damages of its road infrastructures. Heavy rains destabilize daily activities of individuals.